Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will explain that how you can replace the rear brake cable of your scooter. And this is TVs Wego. So here we are going to replace this brake cable, and here it is very old and it is not operating smoothly. You can see it is very hard and uneven, so we are going to replace it. And here is one more problem. Here the brake shoe is new, you can see the position here, but this reached its last limit, and it generally happens when the brake cable is very old. So we are going to replace it. So here I am going to remove the adjuster nut. So here I have to lose it, and sometimes it becomes very difficult, and sometimes it is slightly difficult. Yeah, now here we have to remove a plate, and this cable will come outside like this, and this cable is free and we can pull it outside. ये देखिए, here is our new brake cable, and here I am attaching this new brake cable here in this old brake cable. And why am I attaching it, I will explain it after some time. We have to attach it carefully, and so here I am inserting this cable like this, and from bottom I have to pull the cable, and from bottom I am pulling this cable like this, you can see here. Yeah, again I am inserting from the top, and here I am pulling this cable, and I have to be careful. And sometimes it is difficult to take out the cable, and sometimes it becomes successful. And if it is stuck somewhere, just pull the cable back and try it again. So I am pulling this cable back, you can see here, and retry it. Yeah, this one came, you can see here, this old cable is here and here is our new cable, you can see. And this spring was creating issue, so now we'll remove this old cable from here. And this is the shortcut method, otherwise you have to remove all the panels and everything. Here we just remove the headlight assembly, and we can do it very easily. Otherwise we have to remove all the panels, which will be very time consuming. So our new cable came here. So old cable is out and new cable is in, and here I applied a small amount of grease, and we have to insert this new cable here. And sometimes it is slightly knotty, so you have to be careful. So here we have to insert this new cable. Yeah, and it is ready here. And now we have to see the bottom portion. and now we will reinstall it in the same way how we removed it. So we have to do it carefully. Yes, we have to install it very carefully. Yes, here is the plate. Yes, it is perfectly tight now. Yes, and here we have to put the adjuster nut, and this new assembly don't have the new adjuster nut, so we have to use that same old one, and this is the problem with the companies. So here we have to check the wheel and we have to adjust it. So we have to adjust up to the point when this wheel starts seizing. So I think this is the last point. You can see now this wheel is not rotating freely, so we have to lose it. Yeah, still it is not free. Yeah, now it is okay. So this is the point where it is perfect and we can operate the brake very efficiently. Yeah, so in this way you can just replace the old brake cable, and this is the shortest method. You can do it very quickly. Otherwise, if you will start removing all these panels and everything, it will take lot of time. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.